So we got the 2008 BMW 325i, and what we're doing, signature detail. So we done again preparation outside in terms of clay bar, liquid clay bar, tam remover, iron remover, everything. And I want to share with you once again heavy scratch, but because it's from 2008, we don't have much space in terms of microns, in terms of lacquer. Thickness of the lacquer is very extremely thin, and it's heavy damage from car washes. It's extremely damaged, literally extremely damaged. So after that, after obviously 3-stage polishing, we don't have absolutely like 100% result, but I would say 92%. You see it's massive difference before and after. What I'm gonna do, I take the sellotape, you would see, and this is, like I said, we see this on a cold light, so it's massive different. We take this, we try to remove it everything we can, but like I said, I would say 90-95% we did remove it. And after this we do ceramic coating for 4 to 5 years, and everything need to be dressed in terms of white interior, need to be dressed steam, leather conditioners and wet and dry mats, and make it nice and beautiful for client. So thank you very much. Thank you for all your support, guys, on Instagram and YouTube. It means a lot. If you didn't click the button subscribe, click it now, guys, and I see you with the next one. Thank you once again, guys. So I want to share with you, I divide the car in half, and now I'm going to share with you the defects. So you see how the car look like outside. Everything you can see swells, smiring once the sun come on. So it's like extreme scratches everywhere, and they are super deep, and we got such a thin lacquer. So half of the car haven't been polished yet, but I just want to show you result the other side, and starting here. So this is before and this is after. So like I said, I'm trying to get rid of how much I can the scratches admiring from car washes, but it's much better. And obviously this is cold light, so will be much better outside on warm light, but it's more, I would say, more uniform. It's getting better and better. I try to frame the car in terms of panel by panel and make the gloss and shine pop out once again. Well guys, so we finished this wonderful project with the 325i BMW. What we did is 2008, we did signature detail. You see for yourself, it's absolutely amazing, came beautifully, gloss, shine. We restore how much we can in terms of the polishing, because it's extremely thin paint and was completely destroyed in a car wash. So we bring it back. The client's coming shortly to pick it up, and we'll be ready for him. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Help a lot of small business like me. So thank you very much for all your support once again, and see you with the next project. Thank you.